Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to use or set the bullet in your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to set the bullet points on Microsoft Office Word web? You just need to select the entire line or paragraph or sentence of word that you want to bullet, and you can see an option. Just click on the bullet or click on the control. You can see the bullet option are applied here. You can also have a shortcut key of control plus comma. So this is a shortcut key. If you want to change the another method to apply the bullet, just click here. You can see you can have option here. Also there's a drop menu, and here also they have a drop menu. You can use different type of bullets for the points here, like a star or like arrow. You can just first of all you just minus and also plus option here, and also diamond. So there is a different type of emojis and also different type of symbols are here. You can use this symbol to make your bulleting points for your key points. So to make it professional, use the professional bullet points here from here, and by this option you can easily create a bullet for anything in your Microsoft Office Word. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.